Entianra, and I said to the President John Mahama, on the signature AC bills Marco 10B, also na ya tum aman ababayamra. Now that bills now or then the signature SS for no. Nanka yobakubo magana for no any dear chire. Anaka nyina hwe senka that bill ne dear anka di we nyina koma Mahama ne dear. Anka eno can we but to our surprise. That bill no enka ho bi. Ama Tween Jonas Afia Vimlady ebusa assessment question says, so what happened to the anti-LGBTQ plus bill no? Akosi say. Other than no sense bills in the not bill no. One sign be. Omo abebusa question. Best was I need a answer. Obe me subscribe button so that room. Over 10 verification icon on for latest update. Ya no share am on so enya bi ahwe no akere wa dwen de ama me kama pa e wo comment section ho me kan for NGX limited e de amount ade bi fa plumber ho o mu ye bo maso yen lay pipe in free Accra emesin twam nko tamal only problem nsuo ana opese yetu edma wa ebuo mu desert so ye bedwa atu nsuo no e de amount ade bi fa pipe hu bi bia de free NGX se unsuo no taste na sesa efia bam nsuo ne style only how bia free NGX ye say treaty water e de ka ho ye bo solar panel esen install power plant dum so ahodo a ekwasu you no kakra ne dum no ni aso e ma dum so ense wonwuma bi a wo ye da bi dum so nti enkoda hyew mu air condition fine ho so bo solar panel anase bo power plant fla NGX na emeyema ade bi afa electrical and mechanical engineer ho bi ade ensan NGX ho o so mo ho a me Penyah me se what to cat to atwene phone number no na efre wo mu na enom ni nkomo na ombeboa wo saa kwan so. Now let's go to the story. Ebusa ka yato ba de Muhammad na kunya so no empanifo no start na omudi nko bi se e wo se ye constitution no ye nsa kire bi omu ana even kura no eni bi edi nkan agya tum e wo Ghana ha no mo pen no e wo se ye nsa kira ye edimi ka odi nkan appoint constitution review committee e mo no de umadwuma akwawie e ma ho amanebo de aba abesin atwam na there were some other conversation na enso egu apono so bills bi na ebi mo ese ye formulate na parliament enyintum na yefan come his excellency na on sign emma from time to time no na ye the bill bi eba Ghana parliament na aba be ready na o ma atwene sire ni abasa bobo ho a fan na parliament agya tumu e o ma na different bill aba parliament ni abobo ho na parliament agya tum sa emma now ye wo about 15 bills na egu ho no mo a ni nyina na parliament apase na aka assent or say ana emu panyini any the anti-LGBTQ plus bill no the human sexual rights and family value bills no eno any emu panyin because before go say Mahama ebeba akonya no so no na that bill no already eda hodada ema wo mu ankasa e de campaign e say omu ba omu be sign etra Ghana fo nyina any eda so omu e twen say Mahama ba obe sign emu na hu ne say recently no parliament pass that anti-LGBTQ plus bill no pass say ye twen say na his excellency so e de the signature e be so now was sign. But we shall recently anybody say enchebia there are some series of bills go on one yɛrebɛkɔ akɔpiem ɛwɔ Mahama anim yɛrebɛkɔ akɔgu na pono so ɛsɛ yɛ owura chief of staff Julius Debramo any other state ministers ni bi ɛna de bɛkɔ let's say Mahama so ahwem na ɛne wasensan cause parliament ɛde nka atena so ado ne sukwa dom kuma ne dom kɛseɛ ahwehwɛ mu ama ɛmfumso wɔ biara omu ahwehwɛ mu ɛde ho nkɔma ama na parliament agye atom de aka sɛ Mahama so ɛbɛsan ɛde ɛnra ɛde those bills no yɛde kɔ to Mahama anim na sɛ ɛkɔhwem na sɛ the Edikai the Customs Act 2026. This brings Ghana's various customs laws and amendments together into one comprehensive law. The aim is to make customs administration easier and more efficient and reduce loopholes through which government loses revenue. Obama said custom honomono. I say there are some loopholes near the Dibo Onomwa. Through a honomono, mine you lose ska. I say ye loses ka etino ya pass bill I say ya de bill no because of bill ntini e betima boama ento kontoku na wo nya betima tuetu ran kontoku nti in simple term no it is intended to make the import and export system clearer and help the government collect the customs revenue it is supposed to receive as I say both import and export sika bia e wo say aban enya e wo customs hono no now no ya pass bill I say ye de ani be de akire attract atim enya nyina eno eye one the other two eye Community Service Act 2026. This introduces community service as an alternative to imprisonment for certain minor offenses. Instead of sending some offenders to a prison, a court can require them to perform useful work in the community. On say you were criminal cases and it's how minor cases be a one one. Obi akotwa bode ba akopɛ yes ya jeri no 10 years ento asumu obi akowi akokɔ ba bi yes ya twa years ama no 15 years onko dem make sense bi now no omo the community service act abeka ho bi it is a real case no ene say the case no mu duro sitie na instead anye any serious crime bi an committee instead of say ye do be akoto afiase ama akoda hokwa oman nya so mboso bi asa akobɔ ho ka fiudu no ene community honum na ye be mo aye adwuma communal labor wo honum de ahya anan ye be mo aye communal labor wo ho obesum community no etuduro no na how obesi akono no o ma be mo hu adwuma obeye etom de no so John Mahama sign that signature we e kan ho bi Emma 3 no so no Tribunals Act 2026. This gives effect to the constitutional provision for regional tribunals. The Chief Justice can establish tribunals to deal with specified categories of offenses. In simple terms, it creates another structured avenue for handling certain cases and is intended to improve the speed and efficiency of justice. Next, the Supreme Court and Chief Justice Konya say at the various regional levels no obesisi court nkuma bia that court no say yenya cases be na ehun say ba Supreme Court betima handle those cases nya wo ho no so that ebeboa ma court system no pressure was no ebe free ho because ebia cases ye high court edoso circuit court edoso Supreme Court edoso entino ye be say ye break court system no down so that can reach bia benya highest level of court I betima di case bia handle bi bia mamo petupa what I say it is that bill no enra his excellency sent to that bill ebe emra. And the fourth one Maritime and Related Offences Act 2026. This establishes a legal framework for dealing with crimes committed in Ghana's maritime space, including territorial waters. It also gives domestic effect to Ghana's obligations under the UN Convention on the Law of the Sea. In simple terms, Ghana now has a clearer legal framework for prosecuting offenses at sea. It epo so no ya yemra to ho epo the maritime ya yemra to ho ma mukodin se hunu opo so no kone ne epo no na ye so ma ye be prosecute we ye babu go ne epo no ye chiwa what I say was so be yes and anya no kwa say any criminal act be happen at the sea level ho be ade ya pass emra ye de handle those cases ni na. And the fifth one National Defense University Act 2026. This gives the National Defense University a formal statutory and legal foundation. It also provides for accreditation of its academic and strategic military programs. In simple terms, the university now has a legal basis to operate as a recognized institution. It now no Ghana National Defense University now it will operate as a recognized institution. And also Mahama I send into that. Now the next one, the sixth one, Income Tax Amendment Act 2026. Or say people earning the national minimum wage or less are exempt from the income tax under the new law. 80 on say your money no your minimum wage ya twa no. As I said that 26 I say so now amount of money be as ya twa minimum wage sika just say for be a juma enise utua no something below that per day on daily basis and obi a ne earning at the minimum age the minimum wage level or less no sankofukro no income tax no omuntua bi etimura mo ye adwuma bosome moje 3 million no ne 4 million no ne muntua income tax ne bi se na wutua bi na no yes ye you have na me yes me na da na obi wo ho no mo a the goes market to aye 4 million at income tax sa menya we there but new bill na Mahama si we yi every more. And the seventh one Energy Sector Levy Amendment Act 2026. The law addresses previous fuel oil tax exemptions enjoyed by certain factories and maritime operators. Those benefiting from the previous arrangements must pay the applicable taxes upfront and provide evidence before reimbursement. It's not about can you maybe say companies be on money, some factories be on more. Na omuntua fuel taxes na omuntua bi. What say they were exempt, but now Mahama did there be. Munyina food to fly. Yen come munyina mom. Obi antua bi factory bia ni wa wo any maritime operator bia obia de ubutua tax. Aye. And the 8th item on the list is Ghana Cocoa Board Act 2026. This introduces major reforms to the cocoa sector. Among the key commitments are that at least 50% of Ghana's cocoa beans should be processed locally, while cocoa farmers are to receive 70% of the world market price for their cocoa. Next, I know say now the free now cocoa beans be produce Ghana bia there. I will say to be processed at least 50% e Ghana here. Yanga say to me the chocomilo near the adi e process go ni say so cocoa beans ni na de call ross there be. I will say to me convert be at least 50%. And say be afinimu yenya 150 metric tons of cocoa beans ye process half 50% of it. That is about 65. And a beam sono cocoa buono said the German so ebesia ko bia no ye ba cocoa for 70%. That is the now the new price ye de ama cocoa for no ye mekasa ka bia ene no ya tumu 2 cedis etina no ya tumu say there be ye de akoto 70%. Eni say ebo no ekosoro a ye betu cocoa mu ebo no so te ye te so because ye de abeto 70%. Now ye the percentage na echo. It is a bono entumu ba utri cocoa from 3 be ye tum ente swoba ye te so. It now ene world market price na a movie. So let's continue. Item number 9 a value added tax VAT. The law changes aspect of VAT administration and provides a VAT exemption for gold surrounded by large-scale mining companies to the Bank of Ghana under the government's gold for reserves arrangement. In simple terms, certain gold supplied to the Bank of Ghana under the arrangement will not attract VAT. It's now not there. Large-scale mining company now produce supply or mine with gold near the other gold supplied to Bank of Ghana under that arrangement they will not pay taxes on it. Next until the 10 on the item or the item 10 on the list the Excise Act 2026. This consolidates Ghana's existing excise duty laws into one framework. It covers products such as alcoholic beverages, cigarettes, and other dutiable duties. It also gives locally manufactured fruit juice an exemption from excise duty as an incentive for domestic production. In simple terms, it recognizes excise taxation while giving local fruit juice producers a tax incentive. What I say? Next, these are the 10 bills na you to Mahama enim as on science or the signature as in science. So I say now if you know koyade abaya mra but to match into one money pon hono munyai abaya mra na eba ye da ke obi a twen say the almighty anti-LGBTQ plus bill why because eno cry ade a say bi we de omu aba fresh to no say but to no ayin de LGBTQ de da hofi 2023 neighbor no ama yesa pass no cry of parliament ethnic sa bi we mu nyina ene apanyini but eba ye enka ho bi etia no ana Tween Jonas Afia Vimlady no almost abekan same way actually his excellency the president
John Mahama bae na watimi atwa trumu anka mebo na baso obae a o se yeto abama na obetwa ma ne ho kankan 2 years on timi twa mi da bia mi dinatem enti where's the bribe. John Mahama se obesi factory abie double shift triple shift ebi be kwa adwuma no pa wi anwumre obae a omo diskani na akotofia ma hyewfo a yabo kasurusuru a omo ntimi si factory ba kokura foundation kro omo ntimi ntubi no mi da bia mi dinatem enti scan wan ya ma bribe no wan ya maje bubu market gu ama edwadifo abedane ahiafo atena fi abekire komi da bia mi dinatem se yenya ne sa oba bia o wiewia nkofo fi da bia medinatem wa wia sign performance amani nua Ibrahim mama ne galam se da bia medinatem sa na sami aye president untumi nso ye galamsey wa kufu at the time na da bia medina tem enti John Mahama nso abana Ibrahim Mahama nso ye galamsey medina tem. Where's the bribe? Jimmy bribe ban magic.
Enti and the President Mahama was signing some laws, new laws bia or the aba waye ni nyina wa approve no nto ayi. Enti one of them then mame ko hanum say na me hwe ni. And you see, it's very interesting to note, say President Mahama signing laws ni nyina no. Unim say LGBT the end one fambo. Oh, and this almost LGBT bill ni politics. And the NDC bill ni politics. And the same bill ni the amamono. Mwaba and the President Mahama signing into law. But was sign one akos sign then custom bill, community service bill, tribunal bill, maritime and related offenses bill, national defense university bill, income tax amendment bill. Not just income tax. They say amendment. They be more income tax. They say 20-something%. They say be more income tax. No, you better ye pigani samia. You better. Yeah, energy sector levies bill, and also yeah passing whole law. President Mahama signing. Cocoa board bill we pass it. Value added tax amendment bill. VAT is one yeah amendment to VAT. What the taxes here politics are. VAT and so yeah amendment. Value added tax amendment bill 2026. Excise bill 2026. New taxes. New taxes. With the exception of community service bill, no tribunal. The academy maritime and related offenses in the defense university. The academy taxes near betia. The academy taxes in the betia. That is why I ought to wanna buy the tax buy. You must not do politics with it. MPP for confer levy buy. I say oma bomusio. As for my bomusio, me why NDC no so on tax be ama no taxes to do customs bill ni na tax. First income tax amendment. The income tax amendment ba. Energy sector levies, new levy. Value added tax, excise bill ni na new taxes. New taxes. What here the be atem didie. Ye catch am say NDC here diversionary taxes na mo ka se eboa. Diversionary taxes. Diversionary taxes. No. Diversionary taxes. Diversionary taxes. Media no any opposition yes stronger. The way and say aban attempt to cross or be divert attention. No watching aban na be so say aban da bi. You owe the people an explanation. You owe the people a duty to ask to answer these legitimate questions. Ebema will be who the come. Aban no you owe us. Now, social contract or no more the NDC soldiers moon suya there, Mudia Moso Yamudia Dania Tim, the day, you very atem. Mukas a sign a social contract. No. Mukas a sign a social contract and say, be about Bediatem. Bediatem. So these are the new ones. In the NDC are committed to fighting to passing the LGBTQ platter. President Mahama should not give us excuse. LGBT no so na afeni ebe consulting council of state. Adena we taxes we mu na the one can't just afeni ebe consulting council of state. Aben then a taxes we mu na the one country say afeni ebe consulting council of state. Adena one country say afeni ebe council of state. What you say? We the whole catches afeni ebe council of state. But LGBT, they catches on LGBT there. You have a cock of council of state. Any way. So when you do politics with the fundamentals now, it will expose you. And it is the president signing all the tribunal bill, no any other bills. Until man can there are taxes, about 5 taxes, new taxes. Ghana. Me say politics, politics. Abiding him so much sign it LGBT no. The same pressure that the Kufuado was under. International community in person be law for be say target a particular group of people because of more terminal as a year first human rights issue no. The same pressure ni been equity President Mahama. And so the bill. President Mahama the campaign na Kufuado person be and Kufuado person be sign there no because of politics. The same bill no. You see and President Kufuado ni hwe kra no or a politician no watch you. It's in a President Kufuado set a trap for NDC by saying that you jam and you are now faced with the same problem. Sign also sign. I know the way in the school but what's a new taxes 4 new taxes, there were pass taxes. Tribunal, what is the agency of tribunal bill? No? But when you say LGBT near Christopher in Cremophone paintings, that one thing that brings in Cremophone and Christopher together, any LGBT bill, no, but also on sign. What's the difference between you and a Kufado? A Kufado now criticizing no one a Kufado onye and a Kufado to the extent that even Russia Ukraine war can President Mahama. So Russia Ukraine war they're far away and bang. Why should we be worried about Russia Ukraine? So and the President Mahama catch say Iran conflict Ghana. Now we end this food soldiers we say Modi atem didie kan kofo anu tum. Mo yale. Ye be kasa sa said ye kasa ya and the Kufado no we will talk the same talking. We will say the same thing. We will not allow anybody to come and insult anybody into silence. To me, in fact, the day shati will be an apple. To me, in fact, the day and Cassentia will be a what I say. To me, in fact, the day and Tiantia will be a say, and a friend say, a baby, and one said about Beja money. My junior, no. Contract, I'm going to come on kitchen blog. No. Yeah, girl, no, on canon. Yeah, no, canon. You bet your mamma, when your macaw, man, what to. Ebe yo mano makamano they cannot talk anymore. Now on a kind me see na if you have anyone of my wound said there'll be 1,000 more if you have who will come. You cannot insult anybody into silence. So what do you mean did you be at them organ say ye did you be at them no can and what to atria apu and yet the ye who be there say and yet the akoko who be there near woman and yet the ye who be there any activity. Ghana mudidi at a Nti ebe kan ya no atemdidie no kwa best ka by now kwa you people should give up already because atemdidie na mo starting say mu didi atem no nka be bibia nka ye da mo didi atem nka atemdidie no ye bibia nka by now nka nyina ya kan ya no atum but by now no nka you are there's ample evidence nka wo say mo akra nka mu sa atemdidie na enye ye hute nka ye coat na kan ye shirt
Ubeta chira wa adwen dia mame e wo comment section. Penyah Block Media. Akra.